Now, if you're looking to get yourself a new pot set, have a sit down and enjoy the session that we have for you today as we're looking at the Diamond 8-piece pot set.
It's wonderful, the diamond design, and then we've got the induction plate at the bottom, which allows for the quick and rapid heat.
Okay.
So you can use it on a gas stove, on an electric stove, on a halogen hob, and even in the oven. But the wonderful thing about the induction plate is that it's going to ensure even heating, meaning no hot spots, no cold spots, and that you are always going to get the same amount of crisp, the same amount of browning everywhere in your pot every single time. The inside has a non-stick coating, and that is going to allow you to be able to confidently cook, knowing that your food is not going to stick. That's the technology I'm talking about. The lid, the handles, all of that has been well thought out of, because everything does look very pretty, but everything is also very functional.
We have a different size pot sets which are available.
Yeah.
You can get it today for 999 rands. There's so many reasons why this is the perfect pot set for you to start considering.